ATMs, bank premises, etc. The FKJGP Lingdaw area unit, along with the Nongkhlaw Circle, conducted a site inspection on February 26 at the construction site of a road in Nongkhlaw, Nongkhlaw, West Khasi Hills, and has demanded its completion. The road was sanctioned by the PWD department before the KGP Synod Sepni held at Nongkhlaw Presbyterian Church. During the inspection, the FKJGP found that the construction was abandoned and had not been resumed after the church service. The Federation questioned why the construction was stopped despite being sanctioned for construction, including metalling and blacktopping. The headman of Nongkhlaw village, George Kharbani, demanded that the PWD department should return the donated land if they cannot complete the road construction.
Kasino Nongkhlaw lambaga nega sino magayang lang dan satu kanong luwai tu aga ba pat kasurak ka ba nostalgia matopada te halor jong kanega surak milayo ka RTI na po jong ka department PWD padadin ba yo RTI ngisawan ban pej ban jengok ngilap kumni bat hadin kaneng sa lajak penduk biang apo jong ka office ba kinsim kia ban pendap no ya kanega surak lada kadai na kamta ka jong mentoi jong imlang salang sang ba snano ndrei lada dei tang na benta ka jinga sang snat semha pan aina ya ka gip dits ya ka lan gip dits lani ka jing ai semha jongi trash nang ya ka ni khandau.
The Riboy People's Council